I wanted to talk to you about the 3 most amazing and fun, hands-on, crafty ways to make maps for your game. 2 of these you probably know. Third, I just discovered like maybe about 2 weeks ago. First off is the rice technique, where you take a handful of rice, put it on a piece of paper, and trace around it. Ideally with like a brush pen or something, because I enjoy brush pens and they give that uneven line thickness. That will end up giving you very organic and natural looking landforms and islands. So that's one way, the rice on paper technique. Now, you take that one step forward and then you take like a fistful of dice. It sounds so good. Take a fistful of dice and chuck it onto the table. As a result, different kinds of dice are going to be landing in different places. Of course, you want to delineate, you want to mark out saying that these specific dice represent these different things. For example, you have the D4s representing mountains. You have the D6s representing capitals. You have the D8s showing off points of interest and intrigue. You have the D10 showing off magical abnormalities. The percentile die showing off the locations of the enemy. And of course, you have D20 showing where the dragons will be. A lot of fun. Just chuck it onto the paper and start doing it. The third, and it just popped up when I was chatting with my friend T-Rex. It is, you take oranges, okay? Like the nice loose jacket, Nagpur oranges that we get here in Bangalore. And you peel it, and you try to peel it in one piece. Flip it over. You know the inside of the orange peel? All the white stuff where all the stringy stuff is there? You paint that with acrylic paint or something, and then you press it onto paper as if you're making a lino cut type printing, block printing type thingy. Now, theoretically, that should give you a very hazy map with a lot of texture. And if you're doing this with, let's say, gray paint or something, let it dry, then use red markers to point out random stuff. Or combine method 3 with method 2, where once you make the orange peel based map, then you chuck the dice onto the paper and you see how it actually points out. All right, take it for a spin. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Cheers.